Is it done? Let's go put it in the oven. Look. Let's go put it in the oven. Oven. Let's open the oven. We have to open the oven, except the oven's not opening. Our oven is stuck. Is our oven stuck?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, it's not going to fit. It's not going to fit?
Uh-oh.
Oh, do you want to put it in here?
No, one more.
Okay, do you want to take it out?
No.
Okay, here. Here.
No.
What do you want to do? Do you want to cook it on the stove? We can cook it on the stove. Do you want to put it in and cook it on the stove?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.